Baby Shark and the Missing Pearl Mystery. Hello to my artist friends! Welcome to our underwater adventure! How are you today? One sunny day under the sea, Baby Shark, Daddy Shark, and Uncle Shark put on their shiny police hats. They were the ocean police, ready to help everyone in trouble. Suddenly, Mommy Fish swam up, looking very upset. Oh no! My shiny pearl is missing! It's my favorite treasure! She cried. Don't worry, Mommy Fish, said Baby Shark with a big smile. The shark police are on the case. They swam off together, searching high and low. Daddy Shark used his flashlight to check inside the dark cave. Not here, he said. Uncle Shark peeked behind a coral. Just some seaweed, he laughed. Finally, Baby Shark saw something shiny inside a giant clam. Oh, I think I found it, he shouted. But when he got closer, the clam suddenly snapped shut. Don't worry, Baby Shark, said Uncle Shark. He tickled the clam until it opened it up. And there was this pearl, sparkling like a star. Here you go, Mommy Fish, said Baby Shark, handing her the pearl. Thank you, Ocean Police. You are the best, Mommy Fish said, so happy she did a little dance. The Shark Police laughed and cheered. Another mission complete. Time for a victory swim. And off they swam, singing their favorite song. Do 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 do. Wow, kids, that was a fun story, wasn't it? I really liked it. What about you? Now let's get to our drawing. Look here, kids. We began with two big circles for Baby Shark's eyes. Yes, he is a policeman. Wow, super cool. He's got a police hat too. Yes, up here, look. You can draw it, I know. Now we draw its body. Two arms and a cute little tail.
Swimming in the ocean blue, Baby Shark's a cop, it's true. With his net he'll catch the bad, keeping all the fishes glad. Diving deep, so strong and bold, Baby Shark's a story told of a fish who loves the sea.
Now, in the middle of our page, yes, right here, let's draw the Daddy Shark. Yes, our super cool Daddy Shark. Start with his big round eyes. What do we need? Yes, we need two big circles. I know you can do it.
Happy as a summer song.
Let's add some details.
Baby Shark, a fishy friend. On his tail the flag does bend. He's a hero, brave and true.
Wow, his eyes are shining.
With his stripes so bright and bold, Baby Shark is brave and bold. In his shiny
It's time to draw his face.
the ocean float, Daddy Shark so big and strong.
All we need is a big round circle.
With Uncle Shark they watch and keep the ocean safe while we all sleep. Baby Shark,
We need a curvy line on this part of his face and two circles for its nose. Kids, the circles are very small.
Baby
the happiest smile.
Hero, brave and true, keeping oceans safe for you.
Oh, are we missing something? Of course, we forgot about Daddy Shark's hat. Yes, it's a police hat.
Brave and bold, in his shiny little boat.
Don't forget the police badge.
Ocean float. Daddy Shark, so big and strong, protects his family all day long. With Uncle Shark, they
Kids, if you want to take another look at this part, come back anytime you like. It's like having a personal art coach. I'm here to help you. Let's draw Daddy Shark's body. I know you can do it. All done. Excellent job. We've got Baby Shark, Daddy Shark, and who is next? Mommy Shark? Or Uncle Shark? Yes, we are going to draw Uncle Shark for the very first time. Start with his eyes. You know the shape, right? Of course, we need two big circles. Art is about having fun, not being perfect. So, enjoy the journey. Oh, look at Uncle's little nose. Here we go. We are drawing his face. Wow, I love the way you use your pencil. Your lines are perfect. I'm proud of you. Kids, look up here. Uncle has got a police hat too. How interesting is that? Baby Shark, Daddy Shark, and Uncle Shark. They are the ocean police. They are ready to help anyone in need solve mysteries. How interesting is that? Well done! We are almost done. Now to make it look even better, we'll trace the line to make them bold. And let's color in the eyes to make them black.
Baby Shark's a story told of a fish who loves the sea, keeping it safe, wild and free. In his boat he sails away, looking for a fish to play. But if there's trouble, don't you fret, Baby Shark will fix it yet.
And now it's time to color, my favorite part. First, let's start with the baby shark. You know what color should be used, right? Yellow, excellent.
True, keeping ocean safe for you. With a stripe so bright and bold, Baby Shark is brave and bold. In his shiny little boat, he He patrols the ocean float. Daddy Shark, so big and strong, protects his family all day long.
Kids, if it feels hard, that just means you're learning something new and exciting. So take a deep breath and try again.
In his boat he sails away, looking for a fish to play. But if there's trouble, don't you fret, Baby Shark will fix it yet. Baby Shark,
Let's use our red color for his mouth.
with his friends he swims and dives, happy as a summer song. Baby Shark, a fishy friend, on his tail a flag does bend. He's a hero, brave and true, keeping the ocean safe for you. Baby Shark, he loves to play.
Let's move on to his police hat. What color are police hats? Do you know that? Oh, perfect! Of course, blue.
He's a hero, brave and true, keeping the ocean
Do you have a blue color? I have.
to play
Here we go.
all day long. With his friends he swims and dives, happy as a summer song.
I think it's better to use orange for the badge.
Baby Shark, a fishy friend, on his tail a flag does bend.
Amazing job. Now, let's move on to Daddy Shark. What color is Daddy Shark? Amazing! Blue! Like the color of the ocean. Let's color his face and body. Let's color the police hat. We are going to use our dark blue color. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Your creativity is what makes it unique. I believe in you. You're my best friend. Ta-da! Excellent! Who's next? It's Uncle Shark. Yes, Uncle Shark. We are going to use a very special green for his body and face. Yes, look at this color. I like this color. What about you? Finally, his police hat will be dark blue with an orange badge. I love the way we color the ocean police. It's perfect. We are almost done. For the final step, let's add a little shading to make it pop. And done! We did it! If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. See you soon!